Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I eat things spicy and you get to watch. And I've got something brand new. It just literally came in the mail about, 45 minutes ago. And I can't wait. This is a new product from a new company in the United States. Hotter and Spicier Vegetarian Ramen Express by Chef Wu. Yeah, look at that. What's this all about? This is brand new. I'm going to be doing a Meet the Manufacturer series with them. They've got 3 varieties. They've got this one, a beef and a chicken. They're vegetarian and, gosh, what else? I'm gonna do like some kind of promo with them, with a giveaway. So you'll hear about that pretty soon too. But this is actually going to be my first time trying their cup noodle. So here I've got one cooked up. I decided to make it in the microwave just to see how it would be. The only way I found out about this company is by seeing them at the grocery store. They had flats of these noodles for sale, and they were $7. And you know, I like to get 2 of each variety. I'll open one up and do all the scans and stuff and chuck that one. And when I do an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, I like to have a freshie that I can crack open and do all right then and there. So 12 of each flavor really wasn't something I was in the market for, and they were kind enough to send me samples already. So here's our first go with it. And yeah, they're, like I said, they're all vegetarian and 100% made in the USA. These aren't like made in China with a private label company. Yeah, so let me have my sip so I can avoid hiccups. Alright, well, maybe I can get the peanut gallery to give me a ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Thank you very much, peanut gallery. I appreciate you. Alright, let's give it a try. Coming out of the microwave, the noodles have an interesting texture. They've sat for a few minutes because, I mean, I can't wolf down a bowl of noodles that are boiling hot. They work pretty well. The broth is indeed spicy. I'm getting spiciness out of this, which is good. You know, it's not like, it's not one of those that says spicy and it isn't at all spicy. It definitely is one that I would pair with stuff. I mean, but then again, I pair every instant noodle with stuff. I'd say this one would go really well with a slice of processed cheese. I think that would be absolutely wonderful with this one. Hey Mimi, you want to come over and say hi to all the nice people in TV land? Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Mimi. Hey Miles, come over here. Come over here and say hi. Ladies and gentlemen, my son Miles, fresh out of preschool, about to go to kindergarten next year. Hopefully he can actually go into kindergarten next year.
Mom likes school, huh?
Yeah. You want to go to school too, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you?
I have to go to school with Mom's school.
Yeah. Well, you're younger. No, I don't think that's gonna work out. But you know what you can do? You can study and you can be whatever you want. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Ice cream truck.
What do you want to do? What do you want to be?
Ice cream truck.
You want to be an ice cream truck?
Ice cream truck.
Oh, you want to work in you want to work in frozen foods?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's interesting.
And it got lots of colors in the rainbow. Rainbow. Red and pink and blue. And rainbow. And purple and blue. Rainbow.
So you want like rainbow colors? That's what you want to do for a living? Things involving rainbow colors?
How about rainbow colors?
What do you want to be when you grow up, Miles?
Rainbow colors.
You just want to be rainbow colors?
Oh, yes.
Well, that's that.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. That's difficult. I thought you wanted to be a doctor.
I'm sorry.
Mimi said last time she wanted to be a doctor. Hey, leave that alone. No.
Doing.
Pardon me, they're 4 and 3. This isn't bad. The bits of vegetable have hydrated well. I appreciate that. I'm getting the heat. I'm getting notes of maybe a little cumin. It's not a very like salty broth.
Yes.
Although you could add maybe some soy sauce if that wasn't your thing. Honestly, if I was gonna add anything to this, it would be processed cheese. Let it get nice and melty and in there and stir it up. That'll add a little something. And not a lot of calories. One slice of Velveeta is like 40 calories, so that's pretty good. And then there's some more protein for you too. This one's got 5 grams of protein for the whole thing, which isn't bad. And 910 milligrams of sodium, which is, for a cup noodle, that's pretty low. So, not bad. Yeah, a lot of little bits of vegetable, a lot of peas. I mean, peas are good. Looks like peas, bell pepper, maybe some corn. Done. Come over and look. How'd I do? How'd I do? Did I do okay?
Yes.
Yeah? How about, what do you think, Miles? You've been doing this longer. Yeah, how'd I do? Did I do good?
Numbers.
Number? No, not that. Here. Did I eat it all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, hotter and spicier ramen. Not bad. Definitely in a Scoville range. You're looking at, it's still burning. It's got some cayenne going on or something. It's not, I mean, it's not gonna blow your head off, but it's nice. It's nice. It's spicier than honestly that I expected it to be. So, yeah. Well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Palmetto Foods for shooting this over. Mimi is absolutely adoring the bubble wrap. And yeah. Alright, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wish you enjoyment of your noodles.
Okay.
Have a good one.